So hi there guys, welcome back to my channel, which you already know it's Go Glam Girl. So how are you beautiful people? I guess आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे और सेफ होंगे and vaccination start हो गई हैं तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह everything be gonna be alright soon. मेरी तो यही दुआ है and हम सब अपने जो है अपना ख्याल रखने अपने आसपास के लोगों का ख्याल रखें. 2020 आई थिंक इसी तरह गुजर गया है इन चीज़ों को एडवाइजेस करते करते that you should have to take care of yourself and it's a responsibility of everyone to take care of your surrounding and your people. So let's get started with the video, and that is about Flumor unboxing. So Flumor products unboxing. I had some products I bought from Medina Mall. I went there and I shopped some products from Flumor. So let's get started with this haul of Flumor. And I just bought like few products, but they are so beautiful. I bet you guys if you're gonna see, and it's the most important thing I want to share with you guys, it's 20 to 25% off. So you can have it like you have 5 days, you can go and grab those products. 20 to 20% on all the products except the new arrival. So let's get started with the Flumor unboxing. So I have this bag. इस बैग में क्या क्या है अब हम देखते हैं. And if you can see, so I had a nail paint. This is so beautiful nail paint. If you can see, I bought this from this Flumor and I just applied on my nails and it looks so beautiful. I just completely love this color and it looks so beautiful, I guess. And this is going with my shirt as well right now. It's the best combination with the yellow green. So let's get started with my video. So these are some products which I have bought from Flumor store, and this time I went to Medina Mall because frequently I'm going to Gurer Mall and Sahar Mall, but this time I went to Medina Mall and I bought these for more products. And these are pretty cool products because I got like all these products around 100 dirhams. 100 dirhams. Under 100 dirhams I have bought these products and I just completely loved it because there was 20 to 25% sale, and if you want to avail this sale, so you can go, you have 5 days guys. Starting from today you have 5 days, a full week you can go and you can shop in Flumor, and on every item they have 20 to 25% sale except new arrival. Don't think that this is paid promotion video. This is not at all paid promotion video. They didn't send me this PR package. I bought by myself. I paid for it, but the reason is these products are very nice, and now due to 20 to 25% sale you can get it in a cheap price. Like the products, I'm gonna show you how much it was before and how it is now, so you can grab it if you liked it. So starting with this Flumor ka unboxing, first product going through, that is we have citrus shower gel from Flumor. See, this is so beautiful bottle. They have designed it so beautifully. This is a plastic bottle, so you do not have to worry that it will gonna break, it will gonna fall down. So this is so beautiful bottle by Flumor. This is body bath shower gel, and this is fresh citrus shower gel with citrus fruit extract and vitamin E. So before it was 48 dirhams and today I got it just in 12 dirhams. So I would say this is the best choice ever I have made from Flumor. Yes, I just love this because I smelled and smelled like as if you are eating some citrus fruits like lemon, orange, berries, strawberries. So it's like that, and I just completely loved it. You can have a closer look. This is a beautiful product, I must say. So another product going through, that is berry body lotion by Flumor. You can see the packaging. It's also the plastic bottle they have given like this, so you can easily have like how much quantity you wanted to have, you can easily take it from this bottle. So they have designed it so well, and this is Flumor mixed berry body lotion with acai berry extract and vitamin E. So this was before 38 dirham, and this I got it for 16 dirhams. 16 dirhams guys. So I think this is worth the hype and it's worth buying product because it smells like berry, strawberry, When I smell this, body lotion, I felt like to eat that strawberry. I was having craving to eat that strawberry and berry and all because it smells like anything. I just love the smell of this berry body lotion. So I think you must get it. If you like berries, if you like, so you can have this. This should be in your vanity. So going towards the next product, I'm super excited because whenever I buy some cosmetics or something like skincare or like that, I am super duper excited because I love these things. So coming towards the wet wipes, with which you can remove your makeup by Flamor makeup remover wet wipes combination and oily skin. So I have a combination skin, that's why I took this combination this wipes for combination and oily skin. Whoever have dry to normal to dry or dry skin, they have the similar wipes but in different color because they have designed it accordingly. So I have a combination skin, so I had this, and this was just before it was like 32 dirhams, and this time I got it for 1313 dirhams. And they have a very beautiful list. You can open it easily. You can open from here, you can take it out the wipe like a tissue paper. So it's easily accessible and you can have it in your bag anytime you want. You can use it. So this is like very portable kind of product which you can have it in your bag, and anywhere you want to take, you can take it. So I just completely love this product. मुझे लग रहा था कि ये बॉक्स हो चुका है खाली, बट इसमें अभी भी थ्री प्रोडक्ट्स आर रिमेनिंग गाइस. Three products are remaining still. So let's dig into this Flamor package and let's see what we have. So next we have Flamor eyeliner. So that we have in green color. If you can see, I can show you. It's all packed. I'm gonna open it, this tape. I'm gonna open this tape. I'm gonna show you which color it is. So you can clearly look into that. It's a green color, guys. It's a darker green, like army green. And I just completely loved it. Because this actually enhance your eye feature if you're gonna make this the thin liner or thick, whatever you want to apply as you like, but this color is must have, this and blue. So blue I already have it, so I got this midnight matte eyeliner just for 10 dirhams. Just for 10 dirhams. Before it was 42 dirhams. Just for 10 dirhams, guys. So completely loved it because I got it in such a good price. I'm always looking for the things like it should be branded, it should be good quality, but at the same time, yes, price matter. When it is like cheap, and if there is a good brand and the price is like cheaper, I feel so good, inner peace. So that I have. And then another two products which I bought is like, it's watermelon lip balm and this is candy yum yum lip balm. So two lip balms I have. So this smells like watermelon and it tastes like also watermelon. When I applied the tester on my lips, it feels like I am eating some watermelon, like some chunks of that watermelon I'm eating. And this candy yum yum is like, it's some candy ice cream, or what we can say is cotton candy. It's like that. So this I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you. This also I'm gonna show you, but this I will apply on my lips and this I will not, because this belongs to my sister. I took it for my sister. So this I'm not gonna use because, guys, there is one information on it which I know everybody should know and everybody is aware of it. Like lip balm, if you are using it, it should be your personal. Everything should be your personal in makeup. Like what I suggest is, and it should be like that, your sponge, your brushes, everything should be different because your skin vary from each other. Somebody is having acne, somebody is having oily skin, somebody is having combination. So skin diseases will have a chance to spread from one skin to another, so better to use your own products. So I'm gonna open it for you guys, this Flamor watermelon lip balm. So guys, this looks like this. If you can have a look, this looks like this. If I'm gonna open it, it has this color, the watermelon color. and it will gonna spread on your lips and will left some stain on it, so it will gonna look like a pink. It smells, it tastes like watermelon, as if I'm having some chunks of it. Seriously, guys. It's so smooth and it's so yum. I just loved it. I'm thinking to eat this. No, I'm not gonna eat it, but it's very nice. You should have it in winter on your lips so that your lips won't crack. And this is the candy yum yum. This I will only gonna show you. I'm very bad at opening this. Coming towards the cotton candy by Flamore. This cotton candy lip balm. This color is like this, cotton candy. And I'm not gonna apply it because this belongs to my sister, so I don't want to make this, full of germs. And also this is here the colors, and this smells and tastes like cotton candy. Yes. So this is all about these products from Flamore. I'm gonna show you that all products I have already shown you, because this is the bag from which I have took everything. So far we do not have anything in this box. We finished all the products, we have shown you all the products, so one by one I'm just keeping inside, so that we're gonna finish this vlog. And for next vlog, please suggest me which kind of videos you want, so I'm gonna make it for you guys, because I'm here for you all, because you are the subscribers. Whatever you're gonna suggest, I'm gonna make those videos so that you will gonna be entertained. And any problems, any questions, any queries like which you are facing, please do let me know. I will try to make the videos on that. And anything you want to share it, please share in the comment box below. And if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button. Sorry for this, because I have applied this liner and this nail paint I took from Flamore. This looks so beautiful. This is like 2 weeks before I took, so that's why I didn't show you. I'm gonna show you separately in my another vlog. And this is so beautiful nail paint. I just completely loved it. So take care of yourself and take care of your surrounding, as COVID is still here and COVID variant is also here. So take care of yourself. Bye bye, guys.